In the temperate heart of the Pacific Northwest, perched above the quiet streets of Vancouver, Washington, a team of highly specialized technicians begins their delicate work. The creatures in focus today, Tanner and Diego, field technicians of Northwest Roof Maintenance, stewards of rooftops, defenders of longevity. Before the main tasks begin, we find Tanner in a rare but vital role, mentor. At the very peak of the roof, where multiple ridgelines converge, water seeks the tiniest opportunity to intrude. Here, Tanner demonstrates to Diego the nuanced art of installing lead wraps at these critical intersections. This is where it all wants to leak, Tanner explains, shaping the soft, silvery metal around a junction with practiced hands. The trick is to overlap it like scales and press it in tight so water can't find a way through. Here, upon a sloped expanse of aging tile, they begin their task disassembling the roof valleys, the crucial water channels that guide rainfall from peak to gutter. Over time, debris accumulates, clogging these vital passageways. With expert precision, the pair removes tile by tile, revealing years of moss, leaves, and forest litter packed beneath. But as Tanner reaches for a tile, something stirs. Unbeknownst to him, beneath this ceramic cover lies a secret dwelling, a wasp nest. The moment is sudden. The nest erupts in a fury of motion. Wasps, threatened by the disturbance, swarm and strike. Tanner is stung, nature reminding us of its sharp edges. Minutes pass. The swarm settles. The skies are once again still. And with steadfast resolve, Tanner returns. He reassembles the valley with calm, calculated effort, ensuring that every tile rests just as it should, a seamless defense against the elements. But the work is not yet complete. Tanner transitions to a different task, cutting tile. With his angle grinder in hand, he creates new openings in the ceramic surface, closer to the ridge than usual. These new vents will serve an important purpose: ventilation, critical to a roof's health, allowing heat and moisture to escape from the attic space below. He installs the metal box vents with great care. Knowing their placement is unconventional, Tanner wraps the ridgeside junctions in lead wrap, a watertight barrier, ensuring no rain will seep past his craftsmanship. And just like that, another rooftop breathes easier. Another home is protected from the elements. And another job is completed for Northwest Roof Maintenance.